Hello, hello, hello. I placed an order on Etsy with the creator here on YouTube, Creating with Jovi. I will link her channel in the title of this video so you can clickety click click, show her some love and support. Bam, my order arrived. I decided that I wanted to support her and her Etsy shop and make a purchase, and I decided upon getting a journal. I got one of the journals that she had listed, that she had created. It has a cute little sticker that says thank you, and her packaging is also very cute. So let's remove the very pretty wrapped little band. Definitely going to be using that for something. Not going to waste. Never going to waste. All right. Oh, very cool. Looks like she sent a card that she made. It was very beautiful. Very, very pretty. She's so talented. So very talented. It says, "Dear Angela, thank you for your order. I hope you enjoy your journal. Best wishes, Jovi." Thank you, Jovi, for making such a beautiful journal. And here is the journal. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Yes, I love it, love it, love it. It is very pretty, and I can't wait to start using it. I already have an idea of what I'm going to do. So, and I will be filming working in this because this thing is going to get like loaded up. Yeah. I got big plans for this little journal. Big plans! So I'm super excited. It's going to have such an amazing adventure and such a wonderful life. And yeah, I'll be taking you all along for that. So you get to experience the joy that the journal gets to have. Looks like also she sent a couple of embellishments. Very cute. This one says, "Enjoy enjoy the now." Oh my goodness, so embarrassing. Enjoy the now. Yes, yes indeed. They're very nice, and there's a little space for journaling on the back. And then it looks like another, let's see, what is it? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So like a little space to do notes or do some special stuffy stuff. So like a little journal, a little notepad-y kind of mini journal. This is very cute. Very, very cute. Thank you so much, Joey, for the little extras. I do appreciate that. It's very sweet of you. Very, very sweet. And I am super duper, duper, duper excited about the journal. I really am excited. It's got so many little fun elements, so many wonderful elements, and I can't wait to dive right in. So yeah, I would recommend y'all go check out Jovi's channel. I would recommend you go click her links and see what else she's got going on her Etsy shop. She has actually a lot of journals that I have favorited because she's very talented, and I love the way that not only she sets up her journals, but I like all the little added tiny little detail extras that she adds in just to add some interest, some texture, some layering, a pop of color occasionally. Like, she really is very talented. So please go check out her channel. Please go check out her Etsy shop. And let me know if you have ever purchased anything from Etsy. Let me know. I have purchased quite a bit from Etsy in my past, and I plan on doing more purchasing in the future because I do love helping out small businesses by showing them support, not only by purchasing from them, but also by making content and shouting them out to help push some traffic over there. So hopefully they can get more customers and continue to watch their business flourish and grow. Thank you so much for watching this, and I appreciate your view, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!